So I've been trying to put that.
We took a stack, we could just wall it out. Like, I don't throw that shit. Yeah. When can I enter this raffle?
Have we had any?
I'm going to pass it off to Councilmember Dawkins. The city of Raleigh, he's going to share a few words to get us started.
Thank you, and good morning to everyone. I'm Patrick Buffkin from the Raleigh City Council. I represent this part of the city, and I'm a little bit jumpy. I had a lot of coffee, so there's balloons going off for everyone in Irving. But thanks everybody for coming out. What a great crowd. It's really exciting to be with you for this grand opening today. Glad to bring you greetings on behalf of the City Council and the city government, where we're working hard to make it easier for people to open businesses like this, put folks together, serve their customers that want to get outdoors and enjoy life. And I love that it is a family event, and glad that so many of you could come out. And speaking of family, we have a family connection with this business. And our next speaker, who I'm very proud to introduce, my friend Adrian Cole, president of the Raleigh Chamber.
Hey everybody, first of all, thank you so much for being here this morning. It is so fantastic to see such an incredible turnout for a great event. My name is Adrian Cole. I'm the president and CEO of the Greater Raleigh Chamber of Commerce. And my son Will happens to work here. Say hello. So Will is an employee at TEQ Customs. You know, North Carolina has over 900,000 small businesses, and small businesses are the backbone of our state and the major employer in our community. And so I think that we should give Hunter Gill and TEQ Customs team a huge round of applause. Hunter is the founder and CEO of the company. They have just taken off like a rocket ship, and I could not be more proud of them and proud to be here supporting them today. Dad, Mom, I know you must be so proud and so happy to be here today. I know that there are a lot of family members of Hunter's here. I'm certainly proud of him and proud of the TEQ Customs team. So without further ado, let me welcome Hunter to the mic, and let's give him a big, warm round of applause.
Hey everyone, I just want to first say thank you all for coming out. This is an absolutely incredible turnout, and it's so cool to see so many people here with similar interests. We're going to be doing this event every third Saturday going forward. So one of the things we're most excited about being here and being in this space is that we are able to host an event monthly like this to bring everybody in the community together and build friendships, and hopefully you can find somebody to go out and enjoy the outdoors and the trails with. We've worked on this space for about 3 or 4 months now, and even before that, we had spent about 6 months trying to find a new location. I started this business in a 250 square foot storage unit a little over about a year and a half ago, and soon moved into a larger unit after we ran out of space there. And as I started bringing on more of my team, we just had to keep growing, and we found this space, and you know, we got to a bidding war with how the the real estate market is right now. But the owners of this space took a chance on us as a small business and a group of young guys with a dream. And we ended up getting this space, and for the past 3 or 4 months we've been building out our showroom and our warehouse where we have our space to build all the headlights that we do, and a ton of warehouse space where we have quite a bit of inventory now. And we also have install space now, so we've started doing some installs local to the community. So if you're ever in need of any help installing some products or some advice on what products to get, we know there's a ton of options out there. So we're here to help, and you know where to find us. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to do a little ribbon cutting ceremony. But right before we do that, I just want to give a huge shout out to first my family for always being so supportive of me. Next, my team, Miles, Guppy, Will, Evan, and Tyler. Those guys have been so dedicated and put so much work into this place, and absolutely couldn't have done it without them, and this place would not be half of what it is without all their work. And finally, I want to thank my amazing girlfriend, Katie Vick. She's always been so supportive and done some amazing artwork and graphics inside the shop that you'll see very soon. But you know, I couldn't have done it without her and her constant support, and she's just an incredible person, and I couldn't ask for anything else in a business partner. That was a joke. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and cut the ribbon now. So I invite everybody to come up closer if you'd like to.
Countdown. 10, 4, 3, 2, 1.
How's the first day on the job, boys?
We're doing great. Lots of people here, making a lot of sales, having a lot of fun.
Okay guys, we're going to draw the tickets today for the raffle. Thank you for everybody who participated in it today. We are going to be giving all the money to the Wake County Animal Shelter. This is a cause that's near and dear to our heart as dog lovers, and we're so glad that y'all can help us in that mission today. To pull the tickets today, we have Hunter. He's going to be calling them out. If you win, please come up and claim your prize. We're going to start with the third place prize, the Chemical Guys Car Wash and Shine Bucket.
All right, first we have, it says just James on the ticket. So.
All right, James, you can go home today with your Chemical Guys bucket. OB can hand you that as you leave if you want, or you can take it now. Either one is fine.
take it down.
Yeah.
I'll say 214, 864.
Yeah.
All right.
No, you
There we go. Awesome. Good job, Jamie.
All right, and our second prize today is going to be the ARB Weekender Recovery Kit. This is $140 value, and the person who won that today is going to be Ashley Knight. Ashley, you can take your ARB Weekender Recovery Kit home. This will be perfect for your vehicle. All right, and the first prize is going to be a $300 gift card to TEQ Customs. And the winner of that prize today is going to be
Sam Reiner.
All right, OB can give you that prize today. It's in the box. So you can go ahead and get the shopping. But thank you guys so much for coming out today.
Thank you, everybody, for coming out. Feel free to hang out for as long as you want. We enjoy spending time with all of y'all. And thank you again for all the donations through the raffle. We will announce the total amount donated in just a little bit once we can total everything up.
All right, thank you.